Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious South Indian style chicken chettinad. Chettinad chicken is a famous South Indian curry that is famous for its delicious coconut based gravy and super tender chicken. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jodi apne recipe ko odia dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then upar thiba I button link ko press karantu. First here I have taken 750 grams of chicken. To that add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and juice of half a lemon. You can take boneless or with bone pieces as per your choice. Mix everything well. Marinate for half an hour. Now let's prepare the chettinad masala. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadai. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 3 dried red chilies, and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 8 to 10 curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds. Finally add the main ingredient, that is half cup of grated coconut. Saute till the coconut turns golden. Now allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, add to a blender jar. Add 3 tablespoons of water and blend to make a paste. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 6 to 8 curry leaves. Let them splutter. Then add 2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onion turns golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 big tomato chopped. Cook till tomato turns mushy. After that add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything well. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix and fry the chicken with the spices for 4 to 5 minutes. Cook till the chicken loses its pink color and then add the chettinad paste. Mix well with the chicken. Cook the chicken with the spice paste for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 cup of water and give it a mix. Then add 6 to 8 fresh curry leaves. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. So our chicken and gravy are perfectly cooked now. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and mix well. And our delicious restaurant style chicken chettinad is ready now. Turn off the heat and serve. This goes perfectly well with chapati, paratha or naan. I have finally garnished it with few chopped coriander leaves and a coriander sprig. This delicious chettinad chicken curry is famous in South India, and the taste of this is so different that you will end up having more of it every time you make it. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.